Hello farmer friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Agrijeevan Farming. Today in this video we will talk about how to prepare a pig farm for breeding animals. A breeding pig farm is a more profitable business than raising meat fattening pigs. All pig farmers want to prepare a pig breeding farm, but due to lack of proper marketing information, they are neither able to prepare the right breed of pigs nor sell the breed at the right price. So today in this video we will give you complete information about how to prepare a good successful pig breeding farm. You must watch this video till the end. You will get complete information in this video. This farm is where good breed of pigs, i.e. good breed pigs are prepared which are sold to new pig farmers. If you are starting a breeding animal farm, then you should include such ingredients or ration products in the pig's ration which make the pig more strong and agile and allow minimum fat to accumulate in the body of the pig. You should avoid adding products in the ration which are high in fat because it will make your animals overweight and will lead to accumulation of fat in your animals which will not be the right animals for breeding. Good marketing network is required to run a breeding farm successfully. This is because breeding pigs are not sold to wholesalers but to new pig farmers. The new pig farmers can pay a good breed of pig which traders cannot pay because traders buy pigs for meat. If you are starting a pig breeding farm, then new pig farmers will be your biggest customers. Breeding pigs which include piglets, male breeder pigs, pregnant female pigs are priced twice as compared to fattener pigs. If the price of fattener pigs in the market is 130 rupees per kilogram, then the price of breeding pigs will be between 230 rupees and 260 rupees per kilogram. Due to the high price of breeding pigs, all pig farmers try to sell as many animals as possible on their farms for breeding, but due to lack of many buyers of breeding pigs, these pig farmers have to prepare pigs for fattening. To make a pig breeding farm successful and to sell as many breeding pigs as possible, a large marketing network is required. Now small and middle class pig farmers cannot make big investments to create a large marketing network. Therefore, our company Agrijeevan has brought a franchise business model for all those pig farmers who can produce good breed of pigs on their farms but are unable to sell them at the right price because they do not get many customers. Our company Agrijeevan gives franchise of our company to these pig farmers. After getting this franchise, with the help of our company Agrijeevan's large marketing network, all the pig breeds produced on that farm are sold at a good price. This franchise is given to only one farmer in a state. For the franchise of breeding farm, you can message or call on our WhatsApp number. So now we come to the topic of our video. How to set up a pig farm for breeding animals. In this video, the information that has been given in the previous video has not been given, so those pig farmers who have not seen the previous video should watch it. The requirements of a breeding pig farm are almost the same as other pig farms, but there are some things which need special attention, which are as follows. Now the question arises that how to start a breeding pig farm and what should be our correct plan. So the first question that comes is, in which areas can breeding pig farm business be done? We discussed in the previous video that in local pig farming which is done in the open, the climate and temperature of the particular area is more important because you cannot control and balance the temperature and climate in the open. But when you raise pigs in a closed farm, the climatic conditions of the particular area do not become such a problem because in a closed farm you can balance and control the temperature of the farm. Still, pig farming can be done in the area where the average temperature is maximum 25 degrees to 30 degrees Celsius and minimum temperature is 15 degrees to 20 degrees Celsius. The second question is, how much investment is required to start a breeding pig farm? If you are doing a breeding pig farm business, then you need a building for the animals. An adult pig needs 8 to 10 square meters of space to live in the building. According to this, you can choose the size of the building according to the number of animals you keep. You will also have to arrange for feed for the pigs you will raise. An adult pig eats 2 to 2.5 kilograms of feed per day. According to this, you should make a budget for feed. If you are doing breeding pig farm business, then you will have to construct a building for it. Our advice would be that you should start pig farming with rented land and building in the beginning. If you are starting pig farming with rented land and building, then your initial expenditure will be 2 lakh to 3 lakh. In this you can start with 4 to 5 female pigs and 1 male pig. If you are starting with your own land and building, then you will have to add its cost separately, which may vary in different areas. The third question is, what skills will you need to learn to run a breeding pig farm business? If you want to run a pig farming business well and want to earn a good income from it, then you will need to learn all the needs of pig farming. It includes how to feed pigs, what diseases are common in pigs, how to identify the symptoms of these diseases, what medicines to use for these diseases, and how to treat pigs when they are sick, how to take care of different categories of animals and what are their needs. To learn all these skills, it is necessary to take training in pig farming. Training in pig farming is given by our organization AgriJeevan, and for those farmers who are far away and are not able to come to our organization has published a book, Part 1, Pig Farming Training Course in Hindi, and Part 2, Detailed Information about including fruits and vegetables from Sabzi Mandi in pig feed and their feed formula. If you want to understand the business of pig farming in detail, then you must read this book, and if you are capable and able to take training in pig farming from our organization, then you must take practical training. The fourth question is that what kind of experts and specialists will you need to keep in your team to grow the business of breeding pig farm? If you are doing breeding animal pig farming on a small scale in the beginning, then you will not need many people in the beginning. You will need a pig farming expert who has taken training in pig farming and who has enough experience of how to take care of pigs and what feed should be given to them to prepare the right breed of pigs. He should be well versed in all aspects of pig farming. If you have all these qualities, then it is fine, you can inspect and manage your farm yourself in the beginning. And if you are not capable of doing all these works, then you need to keep such an expert on your farm. You will need to hire 1 to 2 persons for marketing on your farm who will market the breed produced on your farm. You will also need a person who can do online marketing of your farm. You will also need a person on the farm who can do small tasks on the farm like cleaning the farm, arranging feed and water for the pigs, bringing green fodder for the pigs, and other small tasks. Overall, you will need at least 5 experienced persons to run a breeding farm. The fifth question is, where will you find the market for breeding animal pig business, and where will you be able to sell the breeding pigs prepared on your farm at the right price? If you are preparing pigs for breeding, then you should adopt the marketing measures given below for their sale. Along with this, your marketing target should be on those farmers who are going to start a new farm, because these are your customers and only they can buy breeding pigs from your farm. The sixth question that arises is that how to brand your product, i.e. pig breed, in the business of breeding pig farm so that the breed of your farm is recognized by the name and there is a continuous demand for it among the new pig farmers. If you want to make your farm successful as a pig breeding farm, then first of all you should keep a good name for your farm which is easy to speak and for which you can get the copyright domain. The copyright domain of the name is important because when you will continuously produce good breed of pigs on your farm which will completely satisfy your customers, then in future the name of your farm will become famous, and if at this time you do not have the copyright domain of your farm name, then anyone can start a new breeding farm in the name of your farm, and in this way the name that you made with your hard work will be used by someone else. And if in the meantime someone else takes the copyright domain of your farm name, then you yourself will also be deprived of the use of that name. Before branding a farm, understand what branding is. Generally, people consider branding to be the thing that packaging a product well and giving it a name and selling it in the market is branding. If you also consider this to be branding, then you have incomplete information. Good packing of the product and naming it is a part of branding, but only this work cannot brand your business and product. For this, you need to do this, that whatever business you are doing and whatever product you are making from it, like if the product in your breeding farm is a good breed, you have to continuously make it better. You have to continuously prepare such breed on your farm that whichever pig farmer buys breed from you, he should not complain. You may make mistakes in the beginning, but you should not repeat these mistakes, and you have to learn from them, and you have to continuously improve your breed. If you are successful in continuously preparing a good breed of pig and you are successful in minimizing the complaints of your customers, then you have succeeded in crossing the stage of branding in business. When you successfully brand your pig breeding farm, then the benefits you get from it are as follows. The first benefit you will get is that you will be able to decide the price of the pig breed prepared on your farm yourself. This will double your profit in pig farming. The second benefit will be that no matter how many pig breed farms open in your area, it will not have any impact on the sale of pig breeds produced on your farm. The third benefit you will have is that you will be able to decide the profit of your pig farming business as per your convenience. The seventh question is how can you use internet tools, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, website, Twitter etc. to expand your breeding pig farm business. If you want to do online marketing of your business to get new customers, then you should share information about your business and your products along with your address and contact number on internet tools like Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, website, Twitter etc. so that you can get new customers. The eighth question is how can you market your breeding pig farm online? If you want to market your business and the pig breeds produced on your farm online on a large scale, then you should learn about it from experts in digital marketing. If you are not able to learn it, then you can get your farm business and products marketed by them. The ninth question is how can you do offline marketing of your breeding pig farm? You should take some measures to do offline marketing of your breeding pig farm and the breed of pigs produced on the farm, which are as follows. First solution. You should contact pig farmers in your area. Second solution. You yourself should give information about your farm and the breed of your farm to the pig farmers of your area. Third solution. You should put up a board of your farm on the main road so that passersby can know about your farm and new pig farmers can come to your farm. Fourth solution. You should market your farm as much as possible so that you can add as many new pig farmers as possible to your farm. Fifth solution. You should base your marketing of your business on the fact that new pig farmers are your biggest customers. The 10th question is how can you find the right customer for the breed of pigs in your breeding animal pig farm? To find the right customer for the breed prepared on your farm, you should adopt the above mentioned online and offline marketing measures so that you get more and more customers and you can select the right customer from them. Remember that new pig farmers are your biggest customers. The 11th question is what are the rules and restrictions or sanctions and grants of the central and state government for pig farming business and how can you get it? We have given information about this in the previous video. You can watch our previous video. If you want to get more information about pig farming, then you can message or call on our WhatsApp number. For complete information about pig farming, you can also buy the pig farming training course book. The link of which is given in the description. So farmer friends, how did you like our video? If you liked it, then like this video and send this video to all pig farmers. To watch such videos continuously in future, subscribe to our YouTube channel AgriJeevan. So thank you farmer friends, see you in the next video and on which topic you want the video in future, please tell us by commenting.